Congratulations, Coach LA. You established an early lead that you held on to until the end. What was the key to sustaining that, and what else would you like to build on as you?
It's really, I always emphasize playing defense. So going into this game, I really challenged our players, my team, to really concentrate on getting stops and be solid on the half-court defense. Because we know that Converge can really score easily because of the talent that they have. So, yun, challenge ko yung players ko to really play defense, and basically I challenged them and I told them that this game is basically a playoff game for us. No, it's either them or us. Yun lang yun eh, di ba? It's either them or us kasi because of our team standing. So, dikit-dikit kasi masyado. So, every game really counts on this conference, in this conference right now. So, I really commend them. Again, I want to give credit to all my players that they really lock in defensively. Although we scored 106, but what I really like was our defense from start to finish. Yun yung in-emphasize ko talaga. So hopefully we can see this game as a blueprint moving forward, especially playing a lot of big teams and teams that are above us. No? So hopefully this can be our momentum going to that stretch. No?
Thank you, Coach LA. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Saber, congratulations. Saber, since Clint arrived, you guys have won 4 of 5. What does this say about team's turnaround?
I think he fits in. He fits in great with us. Clint is a guy of a lot of experience. He's a guy that doesn't force it, so it's really easy to play for him. So we all kind of just find where we fit in and kind of fill in the gaps, But aside from Clint, we got a lot of talent on this team, so teams have to honor everyone we put on the floor, and so that's really a big plus for us.
Those 4 wins were lopsided. In terms of the final score, were lopsided. Coach LA mentioned about the defense. How do you cite that as one of the reasons for the turnaround?
For sure. I think defense. Coach has said it. We have these wins because of our defense, and we'd have a few more if we kept them off the glass. So I think we did a better job tonight. We beat them on the offensive boards, which is big. We still had more turnovers, but I think just a lot of the stress is on our possessions and making sure we have as many or more than the other team. I don't know if that was the case tonight, but our defense definitely was the staple.
How are you after that foul on Abueva?
I'm all right.
Coach, yun nga, piggyback na rin ako dun sa question about kay Calvin sa hard fall kay Zav. Pwede po ba namin malaman ano lang yung naging usapan ninyo ni Calvin during that dead ball situation?
Wala, Calvin is just being Calvin. Ever since, even when we were playing against each other, he's really like that. He's the type of player that, if you get irritated on him, talo ka. Pag napikon ka, talo ka sa kanya. So, wala, ano lang yun. It's just me talking to Calvin, being his kuya also. Reminding him, just keep playing. Yun lang. So, well, yun lang yun.
Nakausap si Calvin after the game?
Wala eh. Wala siya. Nag-walkout din siya eh. Again, Calvin just being Calvin. Right?
Coach, I'm sure hindi mo pa iniisip, pero next game nyo, rain or shine.
Actually, naisip ko na. Well, rain or shine, probably the best team right now in the PBA. Not because, they have good, given na magaling yung import nila, but I think they're locals. They prove that they can win without an import also. Diba? And more so na may import sila. So we really have to be great in everything that we do next game. We cannot afford to turn the ball over 16 times because this 16 turnovers might be probably an easy 35 points or 30 points against Rain or Shine. So we have to take note of that. We have to be really better. No? And this week we're gonna be prepared going to Rain or Shine game. And I don't know if they have game in between this week, but they're fresh. They had a long break, I think. Diba? So, but we'll be ready. Definitely we'll be ready. Again, it's a challenge for us. Another challenge for us. Just like what I've said, every game now for us is a playoff game. So we want to treat every game as a playoff game. So hopefully, diba, makaisa ulit. But again, it will depend on our preparation this week.
Coach, binigyan kayo ng magandang laro ni Chris
Mhm.
first half. Ano naman sa-
Well, Chris is he's a type of player that ang role niya sa team na to, that's why I got him, is really for him to be a defender. A big wing defender. Alam naman natin dito, maraming mga ganyang klaseng player na kailangan na talent na kailangan natin bantayan in this game. We have Mikey Williams, you have Stockton, you have Delehan. In Rain or Shine, he has to defend three also, di ba? So, yun naman talagang role niya dito. Offensively, if he makes basket, that's bonus already. But he will play for this team because of his defense.
Thank you, Coach
Hey,
LA,
thank you.
Dave,
Thank
and
you,
the
guys.
rest of Magnolia Hotshots. A big congratulations once again, and that sums up our post-game press.